viewers, today we will see vitamins and protein. I am not yesterday put two videos, so that only I am putting today the video. Okay. Introduction. Protein is also the building block for hormones, for other important nutrients that can be found in protein include vitamin B. The vitamin B include B6 and B12. Vitamin C foods. Vitamin C foods are vegetables and juice and fruits and lemon and potato and spinaches. And there are 6 nutrients. What they are? Water, carbon dioxide, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. And protein is bodybuilding foods, and protein is rich foods that we can be include in growth and repair of body tissues. Examples of meat and fish and eggs and milk and beans and coconuts, etc. Energy giving food, that is carbon dioxide and fats. Food is food rich in carbon dioxide and fats that provided us to the energy and the other daily activities. Examples for maize and wheat and rice and milk and potato and yams and cashew and carrots and fat and oil and etc. Vitamin and minerals is productive food. Vitamin and minerals is rich in build up bodies in system for in fruits and vegetables, etc. Nutrients in food. Minerals. 1 minute, sorry. See, in the nutrients in food, they come minerals, and they come calcium, iron. This is are coming minerals, calcium and iron. Calcium is needed for the growth and health, and it is teeth and bones. Iron, it is needed for the formation of red blood cells. Okay, I am roughing. Okay, see the functions of food. This is spelling your chance. Physiological. It is energy giving. Carbon dioxide and protein and fat and bodybuilding protein. Productive and regularly vitamins and minerals. See productive food. Productive foods. Every food contains different types of the amount of vitamins, and it is minerals that we can product our body. It is different ways. See, here have vegetables and fruits and leaf vegetables, and it is also egg. This is more types of the productive foods in vitamins and minerals. Vitamin and minerals are nutrients that our body needs us in small amounts, and they help the body to work and properly under the fight of the diseases, and they are therefore called a productive food. and it is they are several and vitamins and minerals that we can be bodies needs as fresh fruit and vegetables and meat and fish and liver and milk and egg and bread are rich in vitamins. They can they contain several minerals also. See, vitamins and minerals known as productive food. It is are called because they help to the keep the body healthy for regulating the body process and helping the body by to the produce substance that fight diseases. See, vitamins and minerals are considered nutrients because the acting a concert. They perform hundreds of roles in the body, and it helps the bones and health, and it is bluster and your human system. Write in our note, human system. 1 minute, I'm afraid. Human system and vitamins and proteins, nutrients and 100 roles. This is some important points in our this lesson. See, food into energy and repair, blaster. This is our very important to us. Vitamins and proteins, nutrients, 100 of roles and bones and human system and blaster food into energy repair. Okay, this only you important one. I am roughing. Okay, next we will go. It is because vitamins and minerals play a initial role in the fatting and of sorry, I am some cold. Okay, fatting of various organs of our body as follows. They help to the protecting our body and it is a infections diseases and it is growth of our body and it is maintaining good health and it is immune system functionally properly. And what are vitamins and minerals? Vitamins are any group of organ. It is components that are ensure the normal and it is growth and nutrients and are required in the small quantities. And minerals are nutrient materials found in food that we can grow and it is health. Do not contain the element carbon. Minerals are ionic substance and they which needed in small amounts of humans and milligrams and micrograms and per day rather than the grams and the minerals are chemical elements and usually in iron. Examples of minerals include calcium and iron and sodium and magnesium and iodine and charlene. Minerals are fairly long lived so that large quality of unnecessary but the supply must be concerned to replace. Productive food. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals that protect your body from diseases. For examples of sugar foods and milk and dairy and vegetables, meat and fish and fruit and bread and cereals. You write in fish, egg, okay, write in our note meat and fish. First heading meat and fish. That we have fish, mutton, 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 egg. This is our some items of meat and fish. I am rubbing. Write in our note meat and fish. Meat and fish. Meat and fish are mutton and chicken and eggs and fish. This is our meat and fish. Okay. Sugar foods. Write in our sugar foods. Sugary foods. Sugary foods is chocolate biscuit. That are chocolate biscuits and lollipops and sugar. This is candy. All these things having a sugar foods. And milk and dairy. You write. It is one of this easy way. Okay. See next is types of food. Productive food is nothing but it is contains two vitamins and minerals, and it is minerals from milk and fruits and vegetables, and it is minerals product us to the diseases, and milk is a complete food. Examples of vitamin A. It is we will eat a spinach and vegetables, and it is also carrot, green leaf vegetables and sweet potatoes. It have a contains a vitamin A. Vitamin B contains include animal and dairy products. Vitamin C is having includes carrots, food and berries and tomatoes, and it is helps to growth. Vitamin D helps lemon, egg and yolk and cheese. It is maintaining the strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E sources is including almost nuts and oils. Vitamin K including green kale and spinach. Okay. See types of vitamins. Vitamin A is healthy vision and growth, immune response of responding. And vitamin B, it is health well-being for energy and cell. And vitamin C is properties helps make a calon and promote in immune system. In vitamin C, vitamin D maintaining normal levels for calcium and potassium. Vitamin E powerful of the skin, eye, liver, heart and brain health. Vitamin K activity, proteins and calcium for to blood and coating bone teeth. Classes of food. Energy giving foods are carbohydrates and fat. Body building food are proteins. Productive food are vitamins and minerals. Food and vitamins and minerals. Milk. Examples of milk having a vitamin A, vitamin D and potassium. I'm thinking potassium and vitamin B12 and calcium, potassium. And eggs. Eggs have vitamin B12 and calcium and grain. Grain have iron and floaty and fortified. Peanuts, vitamin E. Manganese, chromiums, and it is peanuts, and a fish, zinc and iron. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please me support and me like, share, comment to me please viewers. I am உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு இருந்தால் தான் நான் வந்து உங்களோட இதுக்கு உங்களோட லெவலுக்கு நான் போட்டுகிட்டே இருப்பேன். மீண்டும் மீண்டும் என்னோட இது போடுவேன். தேங்க்யூ, பாய். மீண்டும் மீண்டும் நான் போடுவேன். இந்த வீடியோக்கு உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காது சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கன் கிளிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. பாய்.